Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on TECNO Pova 6 Neo. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction, then click not now, and now you can click open permissions. Now click here on AI assistant and you can go back and then click start. And as you can see, here is my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.